our lines and he's kicking our ass.
Yeah, what's new?
Just tell me I have no fucking idea who's winning or losing this war.
Well, if you're really at Stalingrad, you know damn well who was losing.
See anything yet?
No.
Sounds like Ivan's coming now, though.
Yeah, and I'll bet you Adolf's tits there are T-34s.
Shit, T-34 is all right.
Lock it up! Come on, rock!
Go! Go! Come on!
Yeah, come on!
Read up, Bundles, if you want to make it to 18.
I don't think they see us yet, Sergeant. Why don't we take them behind the left side of that ridge up ahead? Throw them a little surprise party, huh?
Yes, sir.
All right, fire only clear targets.
Watch it, you stupid shit! Man, Russians in front of me and this fucking idiot behind me.
Bertha 2, this is Bertha 1. Come in, over.
This is Bertha 2. I can hear you.
Roger, Bertha 2. We're gonna come in over the hill and take it from behind, over.
I can't see anyone, Bertha 1, but I'm right behind you. Over.
Roger, Bertha 2. Follow me, over. Shit. Load an armor-piercing shell.
Loaded!
Bring the gun around 23 degrees left.
Got it?
Range 1950 yards.
Set?
Fire!
Fire!
Home's getting away.
Reload! Come on! Ruggles!
Going after him, Bertha. Cover my flank.
T-wagon, dead ahead!
On target.
Hold your fire. Porter, bring us around the hill cover to the left.
Hang on!
There he is.
One flank at 80 yards.
Fire!
Vive la Legion!
All right, let's go! Let's go! Shoot their fucking balls off!
Good going, Bertha 1. I'm going to check out some smoke on that ridge up ahead. There he is. Ray, 200 yards. Let's see if we can get behind him. 20 degrees left. All right, we're spotted.
That fucker! Faster! Peel off right! More speed! Too much dust! Stop! Stop! I can't see anything!
You're gonna ram us right up his ass! There he is! We got him!
Fire!
What's that?
They got a KW-2.
We're dead! Crack's gone!
Find the muzzle flash. Better find it before it finds us.
I don't see anything.
The shit's hit 524. Steak is out. Mars out.
Hurry up!
There's Sven. Mueller's out.
I got the muzzle flash. 70 degrees, gun left.
Dan, he's right in front of us.
Reload. Get your thumb out of your ass. Move it, man, before he roasts us.
Got him.
Fire!
Hell, now he's just mad at us.
Goddamn stupid bastard!
What's the matter? What's the matter?
Prickles loaded an HE instead of an armor piercing. Straighten him out, will you?
All right, okay.
Loaded!
On target.
Got him.
Fire!
Ah. Dead. Sweet death.
Something at 9 o'clock.
Shit!